Hey everyone, John here from Diode. Today in the garage, we'll be installing our new Stage Series A-pillar kit like you see here on this 2014 Polaris XP 1000. And if you're interested in any other kits you see here, feel free to check the link in the description below. Let's get started. To begin, we'll start by removing two 18mm bolts using an 18mm socket on the A-pillar on the driver's side of the vehicle. With our bolts removed, we can drop in the included spacer on the inside of the frame and slide over our bracket. Now that we have our bracket lined up, we can take the two 18mm bolts just removed and reinstall them to secure our bracket in place. Use a 17mm wrench to keep the bottom bolt in place. Now we're ready to assemble our SS3s. Drop the supplied nuts into the slots on the sides of the pod with the nylon ring facing the inside. Then slide the universal bracket over the back of the pod and thread in our 5/32 Allen screws and washers, leaving them hand tight to save room for adjustment later. With our SS3 pods assembled, we can now secure our SS3 Combo pod to the bracket by dropping our carriage bolt through the U-bracket and A-pillar bracket. Then, feed on our washer, lock washer, and fasten our nut with a 13mm socket. Then, we can take our 5/32 Allen key and tighten the two bolts on the sides of our SS3, but only hand tight to leave room for adjustment later. Repeat the same steps for the passenger side of the vehicle. Headed inside the vehicle, we'll need to remove the driver's seat to access the battery. To do this, we'll reach in between the driver's seat to lift and release the lever on the back side, then pulling the seat forward, up, and out. With the seat removed, we can use a 10mm socket to loosen the negative and positive terminals of our battery, slide the terminals of our included harness in place, and re-secure them. Then, we can take our DT connectors and route them how you see fit, keeping them away from any hot or moving parts. On our vehicle, we'll be going up the driver's side, across the dash, and into the back of our SS3 pods. Now all that's left is to mount our toggle switch to the location of your choice. For our installation today, we'll be zip tying ours up and out of the way since this vehicle is not ours to modify. Finally, we can test for function of our kit. With everything operating properly, make any final aiming adjustments, and reinstall any parts by reversing the steps we used to remove them. As you can see, with our Stage Series A-pillar kit installed, not only do you have a custom off-road look, but you also have a significant increase in light output, whether you went with our SS3s or our SS5s. If you'd like to pick up a Stage Series A-pillar kit for your side-by-side or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest and greatest products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.